Hi guys, Miss Hefna here, and I am today with Mr. Hefna, Certified Hefna, and we're gonna go over 40-day cleanse. He's been practicing for what? How long? 8 years?
I've been juicing for 30 years and I've been practicing fasting for 30 years as well, herbs and internal purification.
Right, and this is what you find as?
This is the optimal commercial choice on the market, in my humble opinion. Why? Because it's anabolic and it's organic. Not a lot of organic products on the market, and this is the only anabolic cleanse on the market I have found. Anabolic means it builds muscle.
So why don't we go over the product? This is green shake, right?
So this is the Power Shake. The Power Shake has all the greens, energy to rebuild your red blood cells. It takes 120 days to rebuild your red blood cells and 6 to 9 months to regenerate the organs, depending on what you feed it. And greens are an exact match to your hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is blood, chlorophyll is plant blood. And so this is pure liquid sunshine to energize your cells. They're natural detoxifiers in greens, as well as dense nutrition with minerals. So this is the cornerstone of the cleanse. 3 of these a day. And then the Super Amino 23 is for your muscle building. When the muscles are activated, the body will go after its fat deposits. And so you want to be a fat burning machine, and this cleanse will take you into that state. This is the Biomedic. It's the only super probiotic on the market proven to pull the glyphosate out of the tissues. Glyphosate is an herbicide from Monsanto that's sprayed everywhere, and it's wreaking havoc with the gut microbiome right now. So the Biomedic is essential. There's clinical trials on this, and it also reduces C-reactive protein, so it eliminates inflammation. And then these are parasite herbs. You definitely want to make sure those critters are in check. We're in symbiotic relationship with fungus, mold, and parasites. And so this will help clean out the intestinal tract as well. The tart cherry juice, you can see how thick and rich this is. Tart cherry is the only plant on earth that has naturally occurring melatonin. So it helps you sleep, get that restoration that you need while you're in the cleanse. And it's loaded with antioxidants. It's got a 7,000 ORAC value, which helps with oxidative stress. So not only for your sleep, but dense nutrition. Reds and greens. Reds regenerates damaged DNA, and greens regenerate stem cells. And so rebuild your body and clean it out.
Right. And what I like about this cleanse is you can actually eat, right?
Yes.
So these are the foods that we are incorporating: avocado, cucumbers, blueberries. These are very low in carbs, low in sugars.
Yeah, it satiates the oral fixation component of the cleanse. So you can have a handful of blueberries, low glycemic index. You can have a Persian cucumber, half an avocado, half an apple, 3 times a day. They're called flex foods.
So if you like to lose some weight, maybe 10 to 15 pounds, or if you like to lose some fat, or if you want to just clean out some organs, I find this as a very effective cleansing. Would you say so?
Yeah, if you want to look like a spring chicken. I got into fasting. I got into juicing as a way to optimize my health as a Versace model 30 years ago. I was sitting in Milan. I had to research and find out what was working for me, what nutrition was. I grew up as an American eating the standard American diet. I wasn't as fortunate having a traditional Korean diet, having it be healthy. We were eating processed foods and sugar and all sorts of garbage. And so I had to research and discover what I was actually feeding into my body. I would do a 10-day juice cleanse and I would look amazing. Right. So that's how I got hooked. And I've done this cleanse 7.5 times. So it's got my certified health nuts stamp of approval.
So I also do a lot of intermittent fasting, and I find this is very easy to incorporate because you have a protein and you have a carbohydrate that does not have a lot of calories, but all the vitamins and minerals, which is the most important thing. So you have those, and then you have like really good balanced dinner, like protein and veggies for dinner, and then you can have an intermittent fasting style of life with this. It's not just for 10 days or 40 days. It's actually a lifestyle that you can have it forever and keep you in a good health.
Pre-digested nutrition, whether that's fresh squeezed juice or with these products, 2 scoops in water, and you're off to the races. Enzymes are intact. There is no big difference between this and fresh juicing.
I noticed that. This is very refreshing, this is very greeny, and there are more than like 12 vegetables in this powder.
Yeah, and there's about 6 servings of fruits and vegetables for each serving of that.
So if I just want to do a power shake and aminos, is that okay? And then don't do the flex foods?
Yes. The less flex foods, the deeper the cleanse. The less solid food, the deeper the cleanse. If your organs, kidney and liver and digestive tract rest, it will restore.
Okay, great information. Follow Certified Have Not and Miss Have Not. I have a fasting group called Miss Have Not's Fasting Support on Facebook that can describe all these things. Message us and you have a great day.
We're here to support you.
Bye.